This is the Fridge app. To begin with, the idea behind this app was based on a common problem that many college students undergo: buying food and keeping it in your fridge but forgetting it exists, or keeping it past the expiry date. This app helps with storing the food in your fridge along with its expiration date so that you don't have to forget about what you have. So let's get started. First, you have the Add to Fridge option that lets you enter in the name of the food along with the expiration date. For example, we can add in milk here. It'll ask us when the item expires, and then we can add in the date approximately. Then we just click Add Item. Once we do this, we can see our fridge with the added item milk and the expiration date next to it. You also have a View Fridge option that allows you to see what your fridge consists of. This screen allows remove options so you can get rid of food that has expired and add in something new. We can try this with a few other examples as well. So now we can see the items that have been added in the form of a list. When the items have expired, we can remove them and the first position opens up again. The API we used is Google's Firebase real-time database. This allows us to store the food items and the expiry date and lets the user access them whenever he or she opens up the app. The removal and insertion of food happens through the use of arrays on the database. This app can also be improved upon in the future by setting up alerts and notifications for when the food expires. This could be our next step. Thank you.